Hi, I'm Gabi. On today's video, I'm gonna make unleavened bread cooked in the Ariete 909 pizza oven. All the ingredients I'm gonna leave on the description box. Let's get started. I'm gonna place plain flour, cooking salt, water, and stir. I'm gonna transfer to the counter. And work. My dough is a bit dry. When I tested this recipe, I used another measuring cup and the 100 milliliters is different from this measuring jug I am using now. The best way to control the consistency is to wet your hands many times until to hydrate the dough enough to come together. If I pour water, it may get soggy. I'm gonna preheat the oven for 15 minutes at temperature number 5. Roll out the dough until very thin. And cook for about 4 minutes. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you in the next one. See you later. Bye!